Okay guys, there's the Denali. That's the new exhaust tips on the 2021s. This is a cold start on the Borla exhaust that I had installed. I don't have a before. It was quiet as a church mouse, so I just don't have a before. But this is the Borla cold start. It's a little bit loud. I'm going to have a resonator put on it because it does have a tad bit of drone. And I spent a long time on the phone with Borla, and real nice guy named Patrick. He said, well, you actually bought the wrong system. It was hard to find for the 2021 because nobody had one. So he said he suggested a resonator from Vibrant. It's like 90 bucks, 80 bucks. He said put it on up above the muffler system, just back from the engine, between the muffler and the catalytic converters. And he said that'll get rid of that drone. So that's what I'm going to do. And the guy was so nice, he said if that don't work, let him know, and he'll take care of the next muffler system. So this is Frosty. Thanks for watching. That's one of the updates. Oil catch can coming soon.